Hey everybody, welcome back to the Vinyl Brew Lounge. My name is Bobby Hunter, and you are in the only place online where we drop the needle, pour the coffee, and feel the music together to rediscover the soundtrack of our lives. But today we're not pouring the coffee. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to do a different type of brew. I am going to pop a beer for you because this is a very chill song, and the only way to enjoy this song is not by drinking a caffeinated beverage, but by having a beer. So this one is for you. Here you go. Leave it right here for you. And this one is for me. Now, right now going on in the United States, there's a lot of turmoil, a lot of anger, a lot of vitriol, a lot of stuff that is so, it just gets everybody riled up. So I want to take the time today to enjoy this song and this beer with you. Oh, that's good. Because it's a very smooth, mellow song, which I think all of us need right now with everything that's going on. You know, if you take a step back and look at your life, be thankful for what you have, who you are, and where you are. Do you know why? Life really is good. So sit back and enjoy this song with this beer. This is Crosby, Stills, and Nash Southern Cross. Sit back and relax and enjoy this song from the Vinyl Brew Lounge, Southern Cross by Crosby, Stills, and Nash. Here we go. And picture yourself on the boat, chilling out, having a beer.
Got out of town on a boat going to Southern Islands, sailing to reach for a following sea.
And just relax.
She was making for the trades on the outside and the downhill run to Papa Ede.
Stephen Stills at the
Off
helm.
wind on this heading line, the Marquesas. You got 80 feet of a water line, nicely making way in a noisy bar in Avalon. I tried to call you, but on a midnight watch I realized why twice you ran away. Think about how many times I had
Great harmonies from Crosby, Stills, and Nash.
spirits are using me, but your voice is calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman girl who knows love can endure. And you know it's
Smooth.
real.
How amazing would it be just to be on this beautiful sailboat right now?
When you see the Southern Cross for the first time, you understand now why you came this way. 'Cause the truth you might be running from is so small, but it's as big as the promise of a coming day. So I'm sailing for tomorrow, my dreams are dying, and my love is an anchor tied to you, tied with a silver chain.
It's a great line.
I have
My love is an anchor tied to you,
and
tied
all
with a
the
silver
flags
chain.
are flying. She is all that I have left, and music is her
Music is her name.
Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, but your voice is calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman girl
Beautiful song. Ah, look at that. Now, thanks for watching me today in the short version of the Vinyl Brew Lounge. A little mellow today. We switched up the brew from coffee to beer. Why? Because this song demands it. Southern Cross by Crosby, Stills, and Nash. Hope you liked it. I want to thank you. We've been doing this now for about 3 months, and we're a little over the 50,000 view mark, which is fantastic. I really do appreciate your watching, sharing, and subscribing and commenting below. Until next time, chill out, relax, and take care.